Let me tell you a quick story. A few years ago, I sat at my desk surrounded by books, highlighters, and a to-do list longer than my arm. I had the motivation, I had the goals, but my mind wouldn't stay still. Every few minutes I'd drift, I'd check my phone, I'd start again and fail again. Back then, I thought something was wrong with me. But the truth I discovered later changed everything. I wasn't lazy. I wasn't unmotivated. My brain was simply overwhelmed. We live in a world designed to steal our attention. Buzzing notifications, endless scrolling, constant noise. And most of us try to fight this using willpower alone. But willpower isn't the real problem. The system we use is. See, when you jump between tasks, even tiny ones, your brain has to restart its focus engine. Every switch drains energy. Every interruption weakens your concentration. Soon, studying feels heavy, impossible, and you blame yourself for it. But here comes the twist. Focus isn't a talent. It's not something you're born with. It's a trainable system inside your brain, controlled by networks in your prefrontal cortex, powered by chemicals like dopamine, norepinephrine, and acetylcholine. When they work together, you enter deep concentration. When they're scattered, your mind wanders. So the goal isn't forcing focus. The goal is training it. The power of timed work. Imagine running a marathon without breaks. Impossible, right? Your brain feels the same during long, unstructured study sessions. So start using short, timed blocks, 25 to 40 minutes of focused work followed by a quick pause. This rhythm gives your attention a predictable pattern, and your brain loves patterns. Retrieval, the secret weapon. Here's what changed my life. Instead of rereading, I started testing myself, closing my notes, forcing my brain to recall the material. And guess what? It felt harder, but it worked 10 times better because your brain grows stronger when it struggles a little. I also realized something simple. My desk was filled with distractions. Pens, papers, tabs, notifications, all silently draining my attention. So I cleaned everything. Just one book, one notebook, one goal. Removing clutter removed noise. And suddenly, studying felt lighter. Then there's the break nobody talks about. Movement. Not scrolling, not checking messages, a small stretch, a walk to the balcony, or looking at something green. These tiny breaks reset your attention system and bring back your clarity. And right before studying, I started doing a 1-minute breathing reset. Just 60 seconds. It quieted the background noise in my head. It didn't just calm me, it sharpened me. It turned scattered energy into focused power. So here's the simple routine that changed my life. Set one clear goal. Study with full attention for a short burst. Close your materials and recall what you learned. Move for a minute and repeat. Do this once and you'll feel the difference. Do it daily and you'll build a mind that locks in like a laser. Your attention is not broken. It just needs training. You have everything inside you to build focus, discipline, and a sharper mind. If you want more science-backed tools like this, hit like, subscribe, and drop your study goal in the comments. Let's build your best mind one day at a time.